right, Baker, this week we're going to play a familiar game. We're going to play paper, rock, scissors. Okay, and you are going to play against me. So how this game works, we are going to play 5 rounds. Each round will consist of 5 paper, rock, scissors, shoot. And the object of the game is for you to beat me. Now, here's the catch though. If you lose, you are going to have to do an exercise. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend each time like I lose, and I'm going to show you the exercise that I want you to do. So the way we'll play it is we're going to go paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Okay? Now for those of you that don't know, you've got paper, which always loses to scissors, but it always beats the rock. You've got rock, which always loses to paper and always beats the scissors. And you've got scissors that always loses to the rock, but always beats the paper. So the game goes like this: paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Okay, so I chose scissors. If you chose paper, the scissors cuts through the paper. Therefore you lose, and you have to do an exercise. If you would have chosen rock, you would have beat me, and you would not have to do the exercise. So what exercise do you have to do? With each time, we're gonna do either 10 jumping jacks, we're gonna do 10 lunges, or we're gonna do 10 push-ups, or we're gonna do 10 burpees, or we're gonna run in place for 10 seconds. Those are the 5. All right, so in order to do this, I want you to make sure you have enough space around you that you don't hit anything. So before we get started in the real game, let's do one practice round. All right, so get ready, here we go. We're gonna go paper, rock, scissors, shoot, okay? And we show our sign on the shoot. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. All right, so if you chose scissors, then it's called a wash. We move to the next round, none of us lose. If you chose paper, you would lose. In this first round, you would need to do 10 jumping jacks. Okay, if you would have chosen rock, you would just stand still and just wait for the next round. All right, so you're ready? This first exercise that you're gonna do if you lose is 10 jumping jacks. All right, so this is round 1, game 1. We're gonna play 5 games in each round, and then we're gonna do the round 5 times. So it's like us pretty much playing it 25 times. So here we go. Round 1, game 1. Get ready. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. All right, so if you lost round 1, game 1, you're required to do 10 jumping jacks. So you start with your feet together, arms at your side, and go to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, still round 1, game number 2. Here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Game number 2, if you lost, you're gonna do 10 lunges. All right, so here we go. Feet together, and take one step out with your right leg, and go down to the ground, keep your back straight. That's 1. Now left leg out, down to the ground, that's 2. Other leg. 3, switch legs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so here we go. Round 1, game number 3. The exercise this time, if you lose, you got 10 push-ups. All right, so here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. I got a rock. Did you win or lose? If you lost, you owe me 10 push-ups. All right, so here we go. You can either do the standard push-up, or you can modify with your knees on the ground. I'm gonna do 10 standard push-ups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here we go. Round 1, game number 4. The loser this time. You owe me 10 burpees. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Ready? 10 burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now you should be good and warmed up. So we're round number 1, game number 5. This time I want you to run in place for 10 seconds if you lose. All right? So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Paper, did you lose or win? If you lost, here we go. You got to run in place for 10 seconds. And when you run, I want you to make sure you get your knees up. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so how many did you win in that round? If you won 3, you get a point. If you only won 2, you do not get a point. All right, the next 4 rounds, rounds 2, 3, 4, and 5. I am just going to play the paper, rock, scissors, shoot. I'm not going to show you the exercise, but before we play it, I'm going to tell you what exercise you are expected to do if you lose. All right, so here we go. We are in round 2, game 1. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. All right, if you lost, 10 jumping jacks. And go. All right, round 2, game 2. Here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. All right, if you lost, you owe me 10 lunges. Go. Round 2, game 3. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. And if you lost, you owe me 10 push-ups. And go. Round 2, game 4. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. All right, if you lost, you owe me 10 burpees. And go. Round 2, game 5. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. All right, if you lost, you need to run in place for 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. All right, so that's the end of round 2. If you won 3 times or more, you get a point. If you had to do 3 or more exercises, you don't get a point. So if you only won 2, no points. Round number 3, here we go. All right, round 3, game 1. The loser owes me 10 jumping jacks. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 jumping jacks. Go. Round 3, game 2. If you lose, you owe me 10 lunges. Here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. And loser, go. All right, round 3, game 3. The loser owes me 10 push-ups. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 push-ups, and go. All right, round 3, game 4. You owe me 10 burpees if you lose. So here we go. paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Loser, 10 burpees. Go. Round 3, game 5. We're gonna run in place for 10 seconds if you lose. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 seconds running in place. Go. All right, that concludes round number 3. Remember, if you won 3 or more games in that round, you get a point. And if you did not win 3 or more, you do not get a point. All right, so we're on round 4, game 1. You give me 10 jumping jacks if you lose. Ready, set, paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 jumping jacks, go. Round 4, game 2. You owe me 10 lunges if you lose. Here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 lunges, go. All right, round 4, game 3. You owe me 10 push-ups if you lose. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 push-ups and go. All right, round 4, game 4. You owe me 10 burpees if you lose. All right, ready? Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. All right, 10 burpees. Get it. All right, round 4, game 5. You're gonna run in place for 10 seconds if you lose. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Run in place and go. All right, that concludes round number 4. Again, if you won 3 or more times, you get a point. And if you only won 2, you do not get a point. So now we're up to round number 5. Last round. So here we go. All right. If you lose game number 1 of round 5, you are to do 10 jumping jacks. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 jumping jacks, go. Round 5, game 2. Loser owes me 10 lunges. So you ready? Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 lunges, go. Round 5, game number 3. You owe me 10 push-ups if you lose. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Loser gives 10 push-ups and go. Round 5, game 4. Loser owes burpees, 10 burpees. So here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. 10 burpees, go. All right, last and final game of our final round. This time, if you lose, I want you to run in place for 20 seconds, as fast as you can. All right, so here we go. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. And run in place for 20 seconds and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Now what I need you to do is make sure you go fill out the Google form that's next that tells me how many times you won.